Welcome, today in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration, and just to turn on the silent mode on your device you should swipe with your finger here to the left side, and by this way you can do that, or also you just can use your volume buttons here on the right side of your device. Just press one from your volume buttons and here tap twice on the notification on this bell icon, and here you'll see the message that all your calls and notifications will be muted. And then just if you want to turn off just the silent mode, tap again, press again your volume buttons, one from volume button, and tap just once on this bell icon, and as can you see here we got the notifications that the calls and ringtones and notifications will ring. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.